Is recording. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? Right now I'm just gonna create a quick YouTube video on something that I got asked a couple of days ago from one of my followers on Instagram. And the question was basically, what are the best time frames to trade in Forex? I just want to go over that real quick, keep it super simple, and just so you guys can see not to complicate things and just keep it super simple because honestly, you only need like 3 to 4 time frames for you to get an idea on how to place the best trades, you get me? So let's get to it. And yeah. Okay, cool. So right here, guys, the first time frame I want to talk about is the monthly. Okay. The monthly time frame is basically the overall trend. It's where you see the overall trend, you get me? So once you go to the monthly, you're able to see like the big moves, like where over like where the most of the volume is going. It's such a big candle with a lot of volume, a lot of data, you get me? It's better, it's best to follow the monthly trend, you get me? So I'll explain that real quick. And by that I mean, as you guys can see here, I'm on the monthly time frame. As you guys can see, simple, we're in an uptrend. Okay. You guys can see that we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay. So once I know what the monthly trend is, in this case is monthly. Okay, in this case, our monthly time frame is actually bullish. Okay, so I start getting an idea. Okay, the second time frame you're gonna look at is the weekly. Okay, weekly. How is the weekly looking? Okay, I see that the week is looking pretty bullish as well. You guys can see that we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, higher low. Okay, so the best thing to bet is that we're just gonna keep going up and make another higher high. It's super simple. Like even a first grader can like determine if we're in a bullish or bearish trend. You get me? So weekly, it's bullish. Okay. The third time frame that I want to talk about is the daily. The daily is, I feel like it's one of, they're all important, but I focus on the daily a little more because I place that's how I basically place my trades based on my daily candles. You get me? So oops, go to the daily. Okay, let me clear it up real quick. Okay. And then the daily, you basically just try to catch candlestick confirmations that align with the weekly and monthly. You get me? By that I mean like, okay, if the monthly is in an uptrend, the weekly is in an uptrend, we're overall in an uptrend. So all you're gonna look to do is buy. Don't try to sell it. And if you do sell, try to have some really good risk management or try to risk way less because the probabilities are not in your favor, I would say. Okay. So now in the daily, all I look for is basically, are we like in a bullish structure or bearish? Okay. Pretty simple. Okay. As you guys can see in this little example right here that I just chose right here, we're doing like a okay, lower low, lower high, lower low. And next thing you know, we broke this high right here, this daily high. We broke it, and now we're back on the trend. Okay, so all you're gonna do in the daily is just look for break and retest on the daily, or follow like the last daily candle, you get me? By that I mean like, okay, like right here is a great example. let's say you're looking at this daily. Since you already know that the monthly, weekly is in an uptrend on the daily, all you're gonna do is try to buy. Okay, so let's say this candle printed out yesterday. Okay, this candle printed out yesterday. It printed out bullish, bullish engulfing, and it aligns with the like the overall trend. You get me? So once I have like this kind of candle print, on the next day, I'll start looking to buy. You get me? So the way I do that is just zoom in, obviously, to the 4 hour. Okay, that's the fourth. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the fourth time frame. That's really, really important that in order for you to catch this good trades. Those are like what 4 confirmations to like to go along. So, and it's the same way if you're looking to if you're like trading a pair that's telling you to sell in the 4 hour, only look for sales. Okay, so now that I zoomed in the 4 hour, see, okay, on the daily, I put a box around this daily candle. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is zoom in. Okay, look for any kind of a break of structure, a break and retest. You get me? So, you know, by using, you can also use Fibonacci to have even more confluences and psychological levels and all that good stuff. You get me? So I'll start making some videos about little things like that so you guys can start putting it together. The way I would have entered this kind of trade, this box represents the daily closure. Okay, the daily closed somewhere right here. Okay, next thing you know, we started going up. Okay, all I would have waited is for any kind of retracement, any kind of pullback, like right here. Right here, we had a pullback, and all I'm gonna wait for now is a 4 hour bullish candle, any kind. You get me? It could be this small, it could be like a doji, but as long as it's a bullish candle, like it's blue in my case, since I have blue candlesticks, any kind of blue candle. Okay, this one printed. Okay, I'll target my highs over here. The way you put your stop loss is right below the 4 hour candle. Okay, always try to aim for a 1 or 2. You 1 or 3, something like that. A 1 or 3, you're gonna catch a shit ton of pips, a lot of pips. And honestly, if you do what I just showed you, many great traders do this, and many traders trade this way. You get me? And I'm just making it pretty simple on the 4 main time frames that I use. Yes, you guys may see that 1 hour, the 30-minute, but that's I only use those to like scale in or stack positions. You get me? To add more to my trade if it's a winning trade. If not, I just start cutting. You get me? But obviously, since we're in an overall bullish trend, I would just try to stack trades that are going to the upside only. You get me? So yeah, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Just comment them down below, and I'll start looking at those questions and see how I can make these videos a little better for you guys, and so you guys can understand that a little better, or just DM me for any kind of help, or if you guys are interested in mentorship, obviously I do offer that too, and it'll speed up your process on on learning how to trade, and something I really wish I would have done back in my days. You get me? Before I was profitable. Obviously, this has been one of the best years, and I'm thankful for this skill. And if you're ready to invest in yourself, there's many ways. Okay, so comment down below the next kind of video you guys trying to watch, or if you guys need an explanation on something that you guys don't understand. Okay, and yep, I'll see you guys next time.